Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Nice to see you on my YouTube channel Russian for Everybody. If you hear and see me well, please put a plus in a chat. Okay, I think that the sound is good. Okay, last time I told you about 4 Russian sibilants or hissing sounds: c, ch, zh, sh. And today I want to teach you the 5th Russian sibilant, sh. Sh, and explain you the difference between sh and sh. If sometimes is unclear during my lesson, please don't be shy and write me your questions in chat or in comments. I'll try to answer them immediately or after the lesson. I really will be happy to answer them and help you. So, let's start. Pronunciation of the sounds sh and sh is a challenging task for most Russian language learners. However, this task is quite manageable. You should practice in front of your mirror, and you should pay special attention to the position of your tongue and lips. And the sounds will eventually become more clear for you. So now let's start from sh sound. The sound sh is hard consonant. About notions hardness and softness in Russian language I will talk in my next videos. In fact, to pronounce this sound, you should put your tongue in the following position. That you should form a spoon-like shape or cup or basket, and place such form inside your mouth. Move your tongue back and strain its root. Lift the tip of your tongue to alveoli or teeth ridge. Your lips in this time should be rounded and protruded like this one. The sound should resemble hissing, like milk boils over or snake hisses. Very aggressive snake indeed. For men, I can advise you to remind your girlfriend or your wife in the state of anger. What are they doing all the time? They're hissing like true snakes. Okay, if the sound resembles a whistle or you cannot produce it at all, do the following. Move the tip of your tongue to upper teeth and pronounce the sound s. This sound. You can remember English sound s, like snow, the same sound. S. And pronounce this sound very, very slowly. S, 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 s. Continue pronunciation s. Move your tongue slowly to alveoli. S, until you get the sound sh. When you get it, you will be able to pronounce it easily. Got it? I hope. Okay. Do not afraid to experiment. Press the tip of your tongue closer to alveoli. You feel that the sound stumbles and stops. Relax pressure and finally you will instinctively find the right position of speech apparatus to produce the sound sh. So start from s, and then you should pull back your tongue slowly. Phonetic exercises are the best to help in positioning of sounds. Even if you do not know meanings of some words but can read, it will be useful to repeat any words with the syllables. Sha, sha, shaw, shaw, shu, shu, she, 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 on a regular basis. Pay attention on my lips. When I pronounce sh, my lips are rounded and protruded. Sh, sh, sh. And my jaw slightly moves forward. Sh, 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 sh. Okay, and now let's talk about our next letter. It's letter sh. 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 Sh usually takes much more time than position of the sound sh. Sometimes it is also hard for foreigners to hear the difference between sh on the left and sh on the right. So let's start again with the articulation. One of the ways is to feel articulation of sh sound is to combine two English words, fresh, chicken. Fresh and chicken. If you pronounce these two words slowly, fresh, chicken, you can feel how you go from fresh sound to ch, chicken, and somewhere in the middle you will hear this sound sh, fresh chicken, fresh chicken, fresh chicken. Fresh chicken. So when we pronounce the sound, we stretch our lips and smile. Shh, 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 shh. It would be easy for you. So, of course, Russian native speakers not always smile when they pronounce this sound, but for foreigners are always recommended to do it because for them it will be easier to understand the sounds. So when we pronounce sh, we don't smile. We just move your lips forward and round them. And sh with smile. Sh, sh, sh. When we pronounce sh, also move the tip of your tongue closer to upper teeth. Strain your tongue and move it to palate. Try to pronounce the sound sh, 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 sh. Remember that this sound will be longer than the sound sh. Sh is quite short, and sh is much longer. And also sh in comparison with sh is a soft sound. Keep your lips stretched. Sh, sh, sh. When you pronounce the sound, imagine that your palm is the bud of a beautiful flower full of shining pollen. Exhale air towards the bottom teeth. Shh, shh. Gently blow on your palm to spread the pollen. Shh. For some of you, or maybe it resembles a little bit a whistle. When you want to whistle, what you do? But here in other position, but you are making the same procedure. Shh, 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 shh. You should feel how the air goes out from your mouth. If this instruction didn't help you and you still can't pronounce sh, you can try to do one more thing. I recommend you to take one cotton swab. I think you have such thing in your home, because everyone cleans his or her ears all the time, and so it's a very normal thing. So take it horizontally, or maybe not horizontally, like this one. Okay, and what you're doing, take your mouth and put it in the position of sh sound. Sh sound. And then try to move your tongue back further than sh sound. You should smile at the same time, and you should breathe on your tongue. Very difficult task at the same time. So your tongue moves back, you're smiling, and also you should blow on your teeth. So extreme air should goes on your tongue. Okay. Did you manage to do it? Okay. So now I will try to pronounce sh and sh together for you, and your task is to look how my and your faces change. In letter sh, what sh, in letter sh, I'm pushing my tongue forward. Sh, 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 sh. Like шутка, шутка, шина, шина, шар, шар. And letter sh on the left, this one. My tongue moves backwards, like щука, щука, щи, щи, счастье, счастье. So what I do now, I will pronounce separately words like шутка, шутка, щука, щука, шина, шина, щи, щи, шар, шар, счастье, счастье. Шутка, Шутка. Шутка means a joke. Шина. Шина. Шина means a tire of the car. Шар. Шар. Шар means a balloon. Щука. Щука. Щука means a spike. A spike is a kind of fish. Щи. Щи. Щи is a traditional Russian soup with cabbage. And счастье. Счастье. Счастье means happiness. Счастья вам. Wish you all the happiness. Счастья вам. Okay. Everything was clear? If you have question, please write me in chat. I will repeat it one more time if it's not clear. Okay, and now let's do our final reading. So here I have examples of reading words of sh and sh letter. So first letter is above, it's sh sound with smile when you press. So it's like something in the middle, like in English, fresh cheese. Fresh cheese. I will read here each word 2 times. And when I finish reading all the words, I will translate them for you. She, щенок, щенок, щука, щука, щека, щека, щит, щит, щас, щас, щедрый, щедрый, еще, еще, ищи, ищи, защита, защита, женщина, женщина, овощ, овощ, борщ, борщ, счет, счет, счастье, счастье. Okay, let's translate this word. She, as I told before, it's Russian traditional soup with cabbage. Щенок means a puppy, it's a small dog. Щука means a spike, a kind of fish. Щека, it's a chick. Щит means shield. Pay attention how this English word and Russian quite similar sound. Щит Russian and English shield. Щас, it's a short spoken Russian word from сейчас. Сейчас I wrote you in brackets. Сейчас means now, at the current moment. Щас or сейчас. Next word, щедрый. Щедрый. Щедрый means generous, generous person. Еще. Еще means still or more. It depends on the context. Ищи means search something. It's imperative form. Защита means defense. Женщина means a woman. Овощ means a vegetable. Борщ means a Russian traditional soup or Ukrainian soup with bits. Next word and next 2 words are very interesting. Счет. I outlined to you 2 letters, s and ch. Pay attention that these 2 words together pronounced like sh sound. Счет. Счет means a bill. In a restaurant we always say счет, пожалуйста. Please give me a bill. A very easy phrase that you can use in a restaurant and you don't need to know grammar. Счет, пожалуйста. And the last word here is счастье, also with combination s and ch that makes a sound sh. Счастье means happiness. Счастье. Okay. And next letter is letter sh. Frankly speaking, I read all these words already in my last video, but if you haven't seen my last video, I of course to read them for you to show you the difference between sh and sh one more time. So sh sound we pronounce like an English word shall, the same, sh. So again, I will read you these words 2 times and after I will translate them. Okay, chance, chance, shock, shock, chocolate, chocolate, Shakespeare, Shakespeare, finish, finish, машина, машина, суши, суши, бабушка, бабушка, матрешка, матрешка, ток-шоу, ток-шоу, флешмоб, флешмоб, ресепшн, ресепшн, большой театр, большой театр. Okay, chance means a chance, shock means a shock. Oh, I'm shocked about these crazy Russian letters like sh and sh. Chocolate means a chocolate. Shakespeare means Shakespeare. It's William Shakespeare, famous British playwright. Finish, finish. Машина means a car. Sushi means sushi. Babushka means a grandmother. Matryoshka, it's traditional Russian souvenir matryoshka. Talk show means talk show. Flash mob, it's flash mob. Reception, it's reception in a hotel. And Большой Theater, it's the Bolshoi Theater, the main theater in Moscow. Okay, do you have any questions? No? Okay, I will read these all these words one more time. Please again pay your attention that on how I pronounce these sounds. When I pronounce sh, sh, I stretch my lips. Sh, 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 sh. She. Щенок, щука, щека, щит, щас, щедрый, еще, ищи, защита, женщина, овощ, борщ, счет, счастье. And the last letter here is letter sh. When I pronounce this letter, my jaw moves forward and my lips are rounded and protruded. Sh, sh. Chance, shock, chocolate, Shakespeare, finish, машина, суши, бабушка, матрешка, ток-шоу, флешмоб, reception, большой театр. Okay. Sorry. Everything was clear, I hope. Okay. I hope that after this lesson you learn to pronounce sh and sh. Of course, it's very difficult. If you didn't manage from the first attempt, please don't be upset. For many foreign students, it takes some time to learn this letter. And don't be afraid to pronounce Russian words containing this sound. If you make a mistake, Don't worry, all Russian native speakers should understand you. If you pronounce shuka instead of shuka, normally everything will be clear, or she instead of she. So of course it will be clear that you made a mistake, but it's not so rude mistake. It's, of course, it's phonetical mistake, it's rude, but everybody will understand what you want to say. So don't worry, and please speak Russian language and try to pronounce sh and sh like native speakers. Okay, it's time to finish our lesson. If you liked this video, please put a like to it and write me your comments. See you next time. До новых встреч и пока-пока!